Walk Pro Throw, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, located at 4306 East Texas Street in Bossier City. Today we're going to talk about the new XL mud boats that we just received in. These are very, very hard to get. So first of all, let me say, if you're looking for a mud boat, supplies are very limited through the end of the year. So if you're interested, you need to come by and take a serious think about getting one. Some really unique features. These do have the flotation in it, Coast Guard approved. All your boxes are standard or welded in boxes. You also, this is an option, but you have the 11-gallon built-in gas tank. You also up here, it's already got the box here for your trolling motor. You've got the LED lights up front, which is an option. Back here, the Mud Buddies, we power with the Mud Buddy HDR40 EFI. Great motor, power tilt and trim, reverse on the fly. And of course, all of them come on the aluminum trailer. No worries about rust. But I stress, if y'all are in the market for a mud boat, supplies are very limited. We will not be getting many more of them in, so please come by and see us at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, located at 4306 East Texas Street in Bossier City.